So finally, you have clicked on this video. This is because maybe you have some kind of interest to make games, and maybe you will have some kind of idea which can generate lot of money for you. But you don't know how to get started. So congratulations guys, because you are on the right video. Because after watching this entire series, you will be able to make your own dream game. When we think to start about the game development, then the first question which comes to our mind is that can a single person is able to make game? So the answer is yes, because the making game is complicated process as compared to playing games, but it is not much complicated as you are thinking. In 90s there was pure programming language was used to create tiny games, like every single thing like UI, buttons, models which contain environment, characters and cars and other stuff was created by hundreds of people. Like they create each and everything from scratch. But you guys are very lucky, because there are thousands of websites which give millions of free assets which you can use in your games. So the other question which every beginner asks is that can you use your mobile phone to create a game? So the simple answer is no, because mobile phones are not designed to create games. They are just designed to play games. Maybe you have listened some people are creating games using mobile phone, but they are not kind of advanced games. So you have to buy a computer. It doesn't mean you need a heavy computer. You can start with your cheap computer. So the third question which every beginner asks is that which software is used to make games? You should know that the software which is used to make game is called a game engine. It is not that engine which you are thinking like a car engine or truck engine. This is just a software, but it is known as a game engine. So if we will talk about the popular softwares which are available in market, so some of them are paid and some are free. And there are three popular softwares which are listed now. The number one is Unreal, number two is Unity, and number 3 is Godot. So which engine you should choose? So the answer is it depends on your game. Like if you want to create high quality games with high quality graphics and you want to create it for Xbox computers and heavy systems, then you should use Unreal Engine, because Unreal Engine have insane kind of graphics and it can make your game very awesome. But if you cannot afford the heavy computer and you are just getting started with the game development, so I will not recommend to use Unreal Engine, because it is a little bit complicated and it is not user friendly. Number 2 is Godot. Godot is the free software which you can use to make games, but the disadvantage is that on YouTube there you will not find lot of tutorials about the Godot. Yeah, there are some channels which provide you the good stuff, but as compared to Unity engine, you will not find this kind of community. So let's move to our third engine, which is Unity. So if we will talk about the Unities, then Unity is a great software which you can use to create every kind of game. Yes, every kind of game. Like you can create games for Xbox, for PC, for Android, for iPhone, and even for Linux. And you can get lot of awesome graphics if you will use latest versions of Unity. So if you are still watching this video, just go ahead and subscribe this channel, because in this channel you will get a lot of stuff about the game development. So the fifth question is that which engine we will use to create games on this channel. So of course we will use Unity, because it is easy, it have more community and it is user friendly. So we will start with the mobile phone games, and in this series we will create our first mobile game and we will launch it on Play Store and implement ads, and we will learn how we can earn money from that games. So yeah, this is enough for today lecture, and in the next video we will learn how we can install Unity in our computer. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.